What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So this video, there was a controversial goal. It was a save, it was considered a save, the refs called it a save, but if I'm being honest with myself, I don't really know if it was a save. I was right there on the goal line and it was on the goal line. It might have been in, and the clips that I put together, it looks like it could have possibly in the net, but there's no way of really knowing. Leave a comment down in the comment section if you guys think it was in or not. In the video, the way I clipped it and zoomed in, it does kind of look like it's in the net, but to be honest, it happened so quick, I don't think it was in the net. The player that shot the puck could have sworn it was in the net. He called it like right as he shot it. It's not my choice, it's not my decision. I left it up to the refs. They called it a save. I did all I can do. I did a split save, it looked good, it looked sexy, and I made the save, and that's all that matters. But leave a comment if you guys think it was in or not. I'm really curious to see y'all's opinion. And anyway, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys out on the ice. We just got a really weird goal. It's 1-0. 10 minutes and 30 seconds left in the first period.
Unbelievable. Nice save, dude. I mean, I believe it.
Not for long. Nothing because no one wants to play it.
Oh, it did? Oh, barely. Oh, man.
No. Thank God. We just scored to make it 2-2, 3 minutes and 20 seconds left in the second period. I don't know where we're at. Oh, the GoPro's like dying. I don't know what's going on, so. We just scored a tie, 3-3. 8 minutes and 30 seconds left in third period.